high count series.
How to write the numbers from 81 to 90. So children, so see here, in each row how many tens are there? In each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens are there. So in each row there are 8 tens, and how many ones are there here? 1 1. 8 tens and 1 1. Total becomes 81. So write 81 in this circle. So see the second row, there are 8 tens and how many ones? 2 ones. 8 tens and 2 ones makes 82. Next, there are 8 tens and 3 ones. So 8 tens and 3 ones forms how much number? 83. So write 83 in this circle. See the next one, there are 8 tens and how many ones are there? Children, there are 4 ones. 8 tens and 4 ones, total becomes 84. So see the next one, children, how many tens are there? There are total 8 tens and how many ones are there? 5 ones are there. So 8 tens and 5 ones together makes 85. So write 85 here. 85. So children, so how many tens are there? So there are 8 tens and 6 ones. So 8 tens and 6 ones. So write 8 6. That is 86. So see the next one. There are also 8 tens and how many ones? 7 ones. So 8 tens and 7 ones makes the number 87 and it can be read as 87. So see the next one. Here also there are 8 tens and how many ones there are? There are 8 ones. So 8 tens and 8 ones, total becomes 8. That is 88. And see the next one. There are also 8 tens and how many ones are there? There are 9 ones. 8 tens and 9 ones, total becomes 9. That number is 89. See the last one. Children, how many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 tens, but there are no ones. That is 0 ones. 9 tens and 0 ones together make 90. And this number can be read as 90. So children, so these are the numbers from 81 to 90. And let us write the number names for these numbers. So let us see the number names. How to write the number names? So this number is 81. And this number is 82. And this number is 83. And this number is 84. And this number can be read as 85. And this number can be read as 86. And this number can be read as 87. And this number is 88. And this number is 89. And this number is 90. So children, these are the numbers from 81 to 90. And these are the number names for these numbers from 81 to 90. So let us write the numbers from 91 to 100 now. So numbers from 91 to 100. So children, in the same way as we have continued in the previous one. So here, how many tens are there in each row? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens are there in each row. So and how many ones are there in the first row? So there is only one 1. That is 9 tens and 1 1. So the number will be 91. That is 91. And see the second row. There are 9 tens and how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. That is 9 tens and 2 ones. The number will be 92. That is 92. And see the next one. There are also 9 tens and how many ones are there? 3 ones are there. That is 9 tens and 3 ones. The number will be 93. That is 93. And see the next one. Here also there are 9 tens and how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. 9 tens and 4 ones. So forms 9, 4. That is 94. And see the next one here. So how many tens are there? Here also 9 tens. How many ones are there? There are 5 ones. 9 tens and 5 ones. The number will be 9, 5. That is 95. And see the next one. Here also there are 9 tens. And how many ones are there? There are total 6 ones. 9 tens and 6 ones. The number will be 9, 6. That is 96. And see the next one. So here also there are 9 tens. And how many ones are there? There are total 7 ones. So that is 9 tens and 7 ones. The number will be 9, 7. This is 97. And see the next one. Here also there are 9 tens. And how many ones? 8 ones are there. 9 tens and 8 ones. The number will be 9, 8. That is 98. See the next one. Here also there are 9 tens. And how many ones are here? 9 ones are here. 9 tens and 9 ones. And the number will be 9, 9. That is 99. And see the last one. Children, how many tens are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So there are 10 tens and there are no ones. That means there are 0 ones. So 10 tens is equal to, children, how many? 100. So 10 tens are equal to 100 and 100 can be written as 100. So this number can be read as 100. So children, these are the numbers from 91 to 100 and let us write the number names for these numbers. So see the children, the number names for these numbers. So the first number, this is 91 and the next number is 92 and this number is 93 and this number is 94 and this number is 95 and this number is 96 and this number is 97 and this number is 98 and this number is 99 and this number can be read as 100. So how many zeros are there in 100? There will be 2 zeros in 100. So children, so these are the numbers from 91 to 100 and these are the number names for these numbers, that is 91 to 100. So children, so this is the way how to write the numbers from 21 to 100. So we can easily write the numbers from 21 to 100 by using this process. So children, up to now we have practiced how to write the numbers from 21 to 100 and also we have learned how to write the number names for the numbers from 21 to 100. So let us practice some exercise, that is activities on the numbers from 21 to 100. So let us see an activity. So here is an activity, that is match the numbers with the number names. Match the numbers with the number names. So see the children. So here you are observing the numbers on the left side and you are observing their number names on the right side. And our task is we have to match the number with its correct number name. So here also there are given some numbers and their number names are given on the right side. So we have to match each number with its corresponding correct number name. So shall we start our matching? Yes. So see what is the first number here? So children, so how can we read this number? 2 means how can we read this number? This number is 22. Very good. This number is 22 and where is 22 here? So here is the 22. So match this number 22 with this number name. So 22. So children, see the next one. So what is the number here? So how can we read this? So we can read this number as 32. So where is the 32 here? So there is 32. So here is the 32. So match this number 32 with its number 32. See the next one. So what is this number, children? So how can we read this number? This number can be read as 84. So where is 84 here? So see the first one. So this is 84. So match this number with its number name 84. So children, see the next one. So how can we read this number? So 2, 3. So 2, 3 can be read as 23. So where is the 23 here, children? So there is 23. See the last one. So match this number with 23. So now see the next one. So see the number. There is 72, and 72 can be read as 72. Very good. 72. Where is the 72 here? So see the third one. So this is 72. So match this with the 70. So see the next one. So 40. How can we read this 40? 40 can be read as 40. So where is 40? So see the here. So here is the 40. So match this 40. So now see the last one. 3, 1. So how can we read this 3, 1? 3, 1 can be read as 31. So where is 31? So children, see the second one. So here is the 31. So match that number. So see the next matching here. So here also there is another matching. So what is the first number here? So 30 can be read as. So 30 can be read as 30. So where is 30 here? Children, see the third one. Here is the 30. So match this number with 30. See the next number. This is 41. 41 can be read as 41. So where is 41? So see the children. This is 40. So match this with 41. So next number is 34. So this can be read as 34. Where is 34, children? So see the first one. So match the 34 with the first one. See the next number here. So how can we read this number? 24. 24 can be read as 24. So where is the 24 here? See the children and identify where is 24. Yes, see the last one. So this is the 24. So match the 24 with its number name. The next number is 67. How can we read this 67? 67 can be read as 67. And where is 67? So see children. So here is the 67. So match 67 with its number name. So next 95. How can we read this number 95? 95 can be read as 95. Where is 95? So children, so see the second one. So this is 95. So match 95 with its number name. See the last number here. So 33. So 33 can be read as 33. And where is 33 here? So children, here is the 33. So match this 33 with this number name. So children, so this is the matching part. So on the numbers from 21 to 100. Now let us go to the next activity part, that is next exercise part. So children, see here. So write the numbers for the following number names. So in this exercise, they have given number names and we have to write numbers for their number names in the circle provided in front of the number name. So we have to write the number in this circle. So see the first number name, read it once. So what is the number name here? 23. So 23. How can you write 23, the number? So 20, that means 2, and 3, that is 3. 2, 3, 23. See the next number name. So 51. So 51 means there is a 5 in tens place and 1 is 1 in ones place. So 5, 1. So 51. This is the number. So next number name 37. 30 means there is 3 and this is 7. So 3, 7. So write 3, 7 and this number can be read as 37. So see the next one 22. So 20 means there is 2 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. So 2, 2. So write 2, 2. This number can be read as 22. And see the next one 48. 40 means there is 4 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place, 4, 8. That is 48. So see the next one 34. So there is 3 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So 3, 4 becomes 34. And see the last one 82. So 80 means 8 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, 8, 2. That is 82. So children, see the next one. So here also some number names are given. So in the same way, we have to write the number in the circle. So 76. 70 means there is 7 in the tens place, 6 in the ones place. That is 7, 6. So this can be read as 76. So see the next one, 61. That is 6 is present in the tens place, 1 is present in the ones place. That is 6, 1, 61. You see the next one here is 55. 55. So 5 is present in the tens place, 5 is present in the ones place. That is 5, 5. That is 55. You see the next number name 94. So 9 is present in the tens place, 4 is present in the ones place. That is 9, 4. That is 94. So students, see the next one 79. So 7 is present in the tens place, 9 is present in the ones place. That is 7, 9, 79. So 45. 4 is present in the tens place, 5 is present in the ones place. So 4, 5. So 45. So see the last one 63. That is 6 is present in the tens place, 3 is present in the ones place, 6, 3. So 63. So children, so in this way we can write the numbers for any number name. So now let us go to the next part in this chapter. So children, see the screen here. So write down the numbers in the circle. Write down the number in the circle. So in the previous one, they have given number names and we have written numbers in the circle. And in this exercise, that is in this activity, they have given places. And now we have to write the numbers in these circles. Already we have practiced how to write the numbers from 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So like this, here also we have to write the numbers by using these places. So see the first one here. There are 2 tens, 3 ones, and the number can be read as 2, 3. That is 23. So see the next one, children. 4 tens, 1 1. That is 4 is present in the tens place, 1 is present in the ones place. The number can be written as 4, 1 and 41. See the next one. Here 3 is present in the tens place and 7 is present in the ones place. 3 tens, 7 ones, and the number will become 3, 7. That is 37. So see the next one. There are 8 tens, 2 ones. That is 8 is present in the tens place, 2 is present in the ones place, and the number will be 8, 2. That is 82. And see the next one. 6 tens, 6 ones. So 6 is present in the tens place, 6 is present in the ones place, and the number will be written as 6, 6. That is 66. And see the next one, children. 5 tens, 4 ones. So 5 is present in the tens place, 4 is present in the ones place. And the number will be written as 5, 4. That is 54. And see the last one, children. 9 tens, 5 ones. So there is a 9 is present in the tens place, 5 is present in the ones place, and the number will be 9, 5. That is 95. So children, so in this way, just we have to remove these tens and ones and combine these digits. 2, 3, 23. 4, 1, 41. So 3, 7, 37. 8, 2, 82. 6, 6, 66. 5, 4, 54. 9, 5, 95. So children, in this way, you can practice these problems. There are some more problems here, and practice these remaining problems at your home in your notebook. So now let us enter the next part in this chapter. So children, see the next part. So what is the next exercise? Write the numbers that come before, between and after. So now we have to write the numbers, so which will come before, between and after the given number. So you have already learned how to write the before numbers, how to write the between numbers, and how to write the after numbers for the given number. So let us recall once how can we write the before numbers. So there are 3 sets are given. So in this set we have to write the before numbers, and in this set we have to write the between numbers in these circles, and in this set we have to write the after numbers in this circle. So let us see the first one. So here we have to write the before numbers for the given number. See the first one, the given number is 22, and what is the before number? So what is its before number? So before 22, what will we get? 21. So the before number is 21. And see the next one, 44. The before number for 44 is 43. So children, how can we write these before numbers? So simply subtract 1 from the given number. So if we subtract 1 from the given number, we will get its before number. So this before number can be also called as its predecessor. So shall I see the next one, 28. So the before number for 28 is 27. So see the next one, 64. So what is its before number? So 64, its before number will be 63. So if you subtract 1, you will get 60. And see the next one, 40. So what is its before number? What will we get before 40? Before 40 we will get 39. So 39 is before number. Next, see the next number, 76. What is its before number? So before 76 we will get 75. So 75. So write in this. Next, see the last one, 56. So what is its before number? So before 56 we will get 55. So in this way we can write the before numbers simply by subtracting 1 from the given number. So now see the next one, between numbers. So we have to write the between numbers. So between 29 and 31, how much number we will get? So between number will be obtained by writing the next number for 29 or the before number for 31. So in which way? So in any way we can write the between number. So write the after number for 29. Then we will get between number. Or if you write the before number for 31, we will get the between number. So first write after number for 29. So what is the after number for 29? So 29 after we will get 30. So write 30. So this will be the between number. And next is the next one, 36. After 36 we will get 37. So write 37 here. And next 68. After 68 we will get 69. So 69 will be the between number. So next, see next one, 23. So after 23 we will get 24. So write 24 in this circle. So next, 46. So after 46 we will get 47. So we have to write 47 in the circle. So see the next children. So 60 and 62. So which number will be between 60 and 62? So after 60 we will get 61. So write 61 here. See the last one, 33 and 35. So which number will be between 33 and 35? So write after number for 33. After 33 we will get 34. So 34 will be the between number. So children, so see the next problem. So that is, so after. We have to write after numbers. So 26 after. After 26 we will get 27. So write 27 in this circle. So next, 52. After 52 what will we get? After 52 we will get 53. So write 53 here. So how can we get after numbers? By simply adding 1 we will get after numbers. So these after numbers can also be called as successors. So children, so you will learn about successors in the next higher classes, and an after number will be obtained by adding 1. So 74. After 74 what will you get? 74 after 75. So write 75 in this circle. So next, 32. So what will you get after 32? After 32 we will get 33. Next 84. After 84 what will we get? 84 after 85. So write 85 in this set. So children, next 41. So after 41 we will get 42. So write 42 here. Next 72. After 72 what will we get? So after 72 we will get 73. So write 73 here. So children, in this way we can write before numbers, between numbers and after numbers for the given numbers. So let us enter the next part.